There comes a moment when you must stop lying to yourself. Your life is not falling apart because of bad luck, it's because of chaos. Goals are burning in your heart, dreams screaming for attention, yet buried under distraction. The cluttered desk, scattered thoughts, endless interruptions, they aren't harmless habits, they're silent assassins of your future. The world rewards clarity, focus, and control. You must organize your life. Don't wait for motivation. Create it through discipline. True power doesn't come from random effort. It comes from consistent, structured action. You cannot climb mountains while your mind is drowning in disorder. Begin small. Organize your space, your time, your thoughts. Every act of order strengthens your control over destiny. When you master your routine, you master your reality. Disorganized people dream. Organized people achieve. The difference between struggle and conquest isn't talent, it's system. When your days are planned, your goals prioritized, your environment built for productivity, you become unstoppable. The weak wait for inspiration. The strong create systems that generate it. Force yourself to plan, to act, to maintain order even when emotions resist. Every time you conquer laziness with structure, you sharpen your edge. Every time you bring order to chaos, you elevate your power. Success belongs to those who can command themselves, who direct time like a weapon. Real freedom is not lack of control, it's absolute order. An organized life brings calm confidence, clear thinking, precise action, and intentional living. The scattered man loses years chasing fragments of energy. The organized man compresses decades into days. Rise and rebuild your order. Clear the mess inside and out. Create routines so strong that failure becomes impossible. Control your time before it controls you. Do what you must, not what you feel. The moment you bring structure to chaos, you stop surviving and start conquering. Chaos kills progress. Order multiplies it. Every time you allow confusion to take control, you steal your potential. Success cannot breathe in chaos. It suffocates in scattered thoughts and wasted hours. If you want power, clarity, and growth, bring order now. Not tomorrow, not when you feel ready, now. Every second without structure steals your destiny. Look at the people who rise. They're not always the most gifted. They are the most organized. They know what must be done, when, and how. They plan their day, guard their time, and protect focus like a treasure. Meanwhile, those drifting through life hoping things will work out are crushed by disorder. Organize your life, or your disorganization organizes your failure. Order is not a small habit, it's the foundation of achievement. Without it, everything collapses. You cannot think clearly in a room of chaos. You cannot dream big in a schedule full of noise. Structure turns random effort into measurable results, scattered energy into unstoppable momentum. When you know what matters and act daily, your life becomes a force of precision. Discipline is the bridge between chaos and control. Train yourself to command action even when emotions rebel. That lazy voice saying, "I'll do it later," is the same voice that keeps you ordinary. Silence it, not by arguing, but by acting immediately, decisively, relentlessly. The more you enforce order, the more power you gain. The man who directs time can direct his fate. Every great leader, thinker, and success story was born from structure. They planned their days, controlled their environment, and moved with intent. Consistency breeds power. Even when passion fades, discipline carries you forward. Order keeps you walking long after excitement dies. It's not perfection, it's precision. How much time do you waste in disorganization? How many opportunities slipped because you weren't ready? Every day without focus adds another brick between you and your dreams. The future doesn't wait for the unprepared. A clean space signals your brain you are in command. Plan your day before it begins. Live by design, not by default. Small habits build empires. Waking up on time, keeping a written plan, finishing what you start. They seem simple, but they build strength. Every act of order reinforces self-respect, sharpens your mind, and aligns your energy. The disorganized live in stress, chasing fragments. The organized move with calm precision, commanding life instead of reacting. There will be resistance. Emotions will fight you. Habits will tempt you. Comfort will whisper lies. But order is forged in discomfort. Every time you choose structure over impulse, you build power. Every time you plan and execute, you prove you are in control. Chaos steals your destiny. Order multiplies energy, focus, and growth. Discipline shapes weak intentions into unstoppable execution. Cut distractions, organize your time, build habits aligned with your mission. Keep your word even when no one watches. Discipline is not just the foundation of power, it is power itself. With it, you can achieve anything, overcome everything, and become unstoppable. Every second in disorder is a dream delayed. Every moment invested in structure moves you closer to your destiny. Your environment mirrors your mind. A cluttered space is a cluttered mind. Organize your surroundings. They shape your focus, your energy, your motivation. When you clean your space, you are not just moving objects. You're creating room for growth, for clarity, for success. Success is built in order. The disciplined own time. The disorganized are owned by it. Time is the most ruthless currency. Every minute wasted in chaos is opportunity stolen. Every moment of distraction delays your dreams. Discipline teaches you to act regardless of emotion. Every early morning, every hard choice, every sacrifice builds character, control, and confidence. Master discipline and motivation becomes unnecessary. You act because it's who you are. The disciplined mind is unshakable. The unshakable always rise. Force yourself to be disciplined. Life doesn't hand success to the soft-hearted. It gives it to those who demand it through consistency. Cut distractions, organize your day, guard your focus, and keep your promises to yourself. Discipline is the invisible force turning chaos into power. Greatness is not given to the emotional. It is earned by the disciplined. True freedom is mastering the strength to do what you must, even when it is hard. The disciplined act even when tired, even when unmotivated. That's when power is revealed. Every failure becomes feedback. Every obstacle becomes training. Repetition builds reputation. Steady effort builds unshakable results. Time respects order. Minutes become hours, hours become days, days become destiny. Stop giving time to chaos. Stop surrendering to distraction. Organize thoughts, actions, space, and habits. Build structure so strong that no storm can shake it. Control your time and you control your life. When your life is in order, your dreams stop waiting. They arrive.